can't take it from you. And I've been at this shit so long, I hate to break it to you.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Isaac. I hope you guys are doing well. Your boy's getting shredded over here. I'm just joking, but no, I've been working out a lot. Like I said, guys, my schedule is a lot more flexible now because I'm able to do mobile repair. It's been really nice. I've been getting a lot of messages with people asking me, hey, Isaac, how has mobile been going? You guys, mobile is something that I should have been doing when I first started my business. I could probably have right now at least maybe 6 to 8 offices, satellite offices. Now I'm working towards that, but I feel like I'm behind. But it's been going well for me. And the reason is I wanted to do this video was because a lot of people have been asking me, Isaac, I have a storefront. Should I just do mobile? Isaac, I have a storefront. Should I just, stop doing the store and just go right into mobile? You guys, don't do everything that I'm doing. Okay, mobile, it's based on your area. Mobile is working good for me because of the area that I'm in. And I get this question a lot. Everybody's areas are different. Okay, don't be down on yourself about it if your area is not adapting to mobile right away. Maybe it might take another 2 to 3 years, 5 years for your area to be adaptive to mobile repair. Think about it, guys. Every city is different. It's not going to be the same across the whole United States, across the world, because I know I have people from outside the U.S. watch my videos too. Every place is different, okay? So these are a couple things you can do to figure out if mobile repair is going to work in your area. First, if you have a social media page, you can just do a survey. Literally, if you have an Instagram page, if you have a Facebook page, Twitter, whatever, Snapchat, ask your customers, do a survey. Say, hey guys, even though we have the store, or even though we're doing this right now, what would you guys think if we were to do mobile repair and have a tech come to you or meet you at like a local cafe, etc., etc. And even during times like this, you might be able to adapt your community to the mobile side of things. And this will work. This mobile will work if your area has a lot of mobile services in it already. Like, let's say, for example, Uber, Lyft, the grocery delivery apps, Instacart, Shipt. If you have like a lot of the bigger box stores in your area, like Walmart drop off and pickup or whatever, Meyer pickup, you guys know what I'm talking about. Or if you guys have like DoorDash, Postmates, if you already have mobile services like that in your area, more than likely doing mobile repairs and having a tech come to a customer in the area that they're already in, if they're already getting their groceries delivered to them, more than likely it's going to work. So do a survey, ask your customers. You guys can't just be in your office all day, just like, how do I get business or what do I do? Or you guys have to be interacting with your community. That is super important. You have to be interacting with your community. You have to get out there, put yourself out there, because a lot of people are going to appreciate and be like, well, who owns this cell phone store? Oh, Isaac is the fellow who owns our tech store in our community. He's very involved. He's always asking us questions on his Facebook page. He's always putting updates on his Instagram page. He did have the store, but now he's doing mobile, and he warned us about that. You got to be putting yourself out there, okay? That's the only way that you're going to build trust with your community, and your community is really going to stick behind you. So do a survey. That's super important. Also, too, like I said, the second one would be look for if you guys already have those mobile services in your area. That's very important as well. But then again, I will say this until I spin in my grave, guys. You could even be in a big giant city, right? Let's say if you were like in Chicago or Miami, you could be in huge cities and mobile repair still might not work. Why is that, Isaac? It's because the people that live in that community are already adapted to just going to a store, like a retail store. That is okay. Can you change those people to and show them how convenient mobile is and to get them to turn? Yes, but it's going to take some time. Make sure you're getting reviews if you're doing mobile repairs and you're trying to build around your mobile repair brand. Get those reviews from customers, not just saying, oh, they did a good job on my screen repair. No, make them say in the review. You can ask them literally when you're done fixing a customer's phone doing mobile, say, hey, can you mention that we came to you in the review? That is what I want you to mention. And customers will do that. a lot of our reviews, I'll tell customers, hey, and I'll tell our text to tell customers, hey, make sure when you're telling a customer to do a review, make sure you have them mention in there that we came to them. And if they can mention how convenient it was, that would help out a lot too. And the reason is because when people see that, they're going to be like, wow, they have a lot of reviews of saying that text came to them and this was like super convenient. I'm going to try them now too. And this is the funny part. Most of the customers that I run into, and even our other techs, it's so funny when I meet up with our techs because they'll tell me, they're like, Isaac, a lot of people were saying like they were iffy about booking the mobile. Like they didn't know what to expect. Like they were like, is this a scam or are they really coming to me to fix my phone? But then they said the thing that made them book it was when they looked at the reviews. So the reviews are key, guys. You're not gonna go to a restaurant, right? If you see somebody that has bad reviews, don't do their takeout, their sushi was horrible, blah, you're not gonna go there, right? It's the same for cell phone repair. Don't treat it anything different than that. And if there's anybody out there that's watching this video that is not in the cell phone repair industry, because I do have a lot of subscribers that are not just in the cell phone repair industry, I like to kind of talk about business as a whole, like customer service side of things, et cetera, et cetera. You have to understand, no matter if you do roofing, no matter if you do car detailing, your reviews are key, okay? Make sure you get really good reviews because that is what locks the customer down on booking with you. Like I said, you're not gonna order a pizza from somewhere if they have bad reviews. You're gonna go with the place that has very good reviews, guys. So, like I said, keep these things in mind. Make sure you do a survey. You can ask the community, be involved, ask them, say, hey guys, if we were to go mobile, would you guys use this service? Get their feedback. Look at already all of the other services that are offered in your area. Like I said, Postmates, Uber, Instacart, all those. See if those are really popular and if people use those. And then lastly, make sure you guys, if you guys are doing that, get the reviews if you're trying to build upon it, because then other people are going to trust it and they are going to book. Okay? And remember, like I said, you could still do all of these things and people still might not want to do mobile. It could be on your area. So like I said, just because we're doing mobile and it's working for us doesn't mean that it's going to work for you. And you guys know I'm upfront with you. You guys know I'm not going to pull your tails or anything like that. It's just the truth. I would be lying to you if I was sitting here telling you, hey guys, mobile's going to work everywhere, because that is not the truth. So do research, get the surveys, make sure you're getting the reviews, build upon that. And one more thing I wanted to add. If you are newer to cell phone repair, and if you're just getting into the cell phone repair industry, mobile repair is something I would recommend to start off in the beginning and right away. So you don't have to pay a lot of money up front for your storefront, because you have to have capital, obviously, to start your business. And that's the only reason why I really recommend mobile repair for newcomers, because you're going to be able to have a competitive advantage on the people who do have stores. I mean, it's just the truth. You're not going to have a lot of overhead, so you're going to be able to make your repair prices a little bit cheaper if you wanted to, versus somebody who had a store. And if you're somebody who has a store and that is watching this and you want to get into mobile repair, I wouldn't shut your store down right away like we did. The reason why we did was because this is how we did it in the beginning. We did the store and we did mobile at the same time. So I had 1 foot in the store and 1 foot in mobile. And as we've seen the mobile be more popular, that's when we shut down the store. I never recommend just to shut down the store. You have to test it in your market. So those are a few things that you guys can do. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is Isaac. Peace.